Turn this into this. So we still got a lot of steak. I think we're gonna make some Cyril. Well, that's a problem. Karen, do your thing. Heat check, smoke is good. Salt the pan, drop them like it's hot. Some extra fat for flavor. Come in. This is the secret to turning a good steak into a great steak. It's called flake salt. It looks like this. It's like a flake, and you can literally take it and you can crush it in your fingers, and it literally just grinds up. And you put this on top of the steak. Look at fresh. They're ready for a flip. Sauce. And we're gonna let them rest and do its thing. Oh yeah, gotta take care of the Franz. Put off the heat. It's been about 2 minutes. Feed the bird. Yum. Time to crispalize it. Get it on the cast iron. When it does that, you get crispy cheese chips. And she's good. You want that crispy outside. Get this stuff. Let it rain. Do your thing. Done. Some pepper, because we got a lot. Some parsley for color. Don't forget about the cheese crust. Make 'em fancy. That's good.